Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 P460e HSE. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Hakuba silver metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Hakuba silver exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily find you could fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. As well as this, you have your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Moving to the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 20,068 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your deployable tow bar, which allows you to tow things such as a trailer, perhaps even a caravan. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, adjustable ride height and weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. Along with a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. This also has a off-road version, and of course you also have your park assist to help you furthermore in those difficult parking situations, whether this is to help you leave or perhaps enter one. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 P460e HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.